Welcome back to my channel, Maths Made Easy. So let's continue trigonometry conditional ratios part 2. So our question is question number 4. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then prove that sine a plus sine b plus sine c is equal to 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. So solution, left hand side, we have copied the left hand side. Now, before we continue, we must know a formula. What is the formula for sin A plus sin B? It is 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Isn't that? And the last ratio is kept as it is. Thereafter, we are given A plus B plus C equal to pi. It means A plus B is equal to pi minus C. Now, since here is 2 in denominator of A plus B, so we will divide both the sides by 2. So on dividing by 2 we get this line, and then here it is sine with A plus B by 2. So here is A plus B by 2. So let's operate sine on both the sides. On operating sine on both the sides, we get sine A plus B by 2 is equal to sine pi minus C by 2. Then we will split LCM of this part. So on splitting LCM, we get pi by 2 minus C by 2. Actually pi by 2 is 90. So sine 90 minus C by 2 is cos C by 2. So ultimately sine A plus B over 2 is cos C by 2. Isn't that? So instead of sine A plus B by 2, from here we'll keep cos C by 2. I hope this is clear to you. Thereafter, let's use formula for sin C. We know sin C is 2 sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. Isn't that? Thereafter, you can check, here is cos C by 2, here is also cos C by 2. Here is 2 and here is also 2. So we can take common. The common is 2 cos C by 2. And in bracket, from here, we are left with cos A minus B over 2. And from here, we are left with sin C over 2. Isn't that a confusion? Okay. And thereafter, we have copied this line from previous page as it is to avoid confusion. Now, to continue further, again, as per question, A plus B plus C is equal to pi. So we can write this as A plus B is equal to pi minus C, and then we will divide both the sides by 2. After this, we will operate cos on both the sides. After this pi minus C over 2 will split LCM over here to get pi by 2 minus C by 2, and we know pi by 2 is 90. So cos 90 minus C by 2 is sin C by 2. Isn't that? So sin C by 2 is cos A plus B by 2. So here is sin C by 2. So we can write this as cos A plus B by 2. I hope this is clear to you. Now after this, what we will do is, again here we will split LCM and here also we will split LCM to get this line. We have just arranged this portion we have brought at the front, and this portion we have taken to back. Now after this, again let's recall back a formula. We have learned that cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is 2 cos A into cos B. Isn't that? So here also we can write this in this form as well. That means if we are given cos A by 2 plus B by 2 plus cos A by 2 minus B by 2, we can write this as 2 cos A by 2 into cos B by 2. Isn't that? So ultimately this can be replaced by 2 cos A by 2 into cos B by 2. So here you can check, this portion is same as this portion. So we can replace this by 2 cos A by 2 into cos B by 2. And on simplification of this, we will get 4 cos A by 2 into cos B by 2 into cos C by 2, which is equal to right hand side, hence proved. I hope this is clear to you. Our next question is question number 5. If A plus B plus C is equal to pi, then prove that cos A minus cos B minus cos C is equal to minus 4 sin A by 2 into cos B by 2 into cos C by 2 plus 1. So solution, left hand side we have copied. Now we know cos A minus cos B is 2 sin A plus B by 2 into sin B minus A by 2. Isn't that? And this minus cos C is copied as it is. Thereafter, by question we are given A plus B plus C equal to pi. It is given at the beginning. So we can write this as A plus B is equal to pi minus C, and then we'll divide both the sides by 2. Why are we dividing by 2? Because you can check here is 2 in denominator of A plus B. So we have divided both the sides by 2, and since here is sign with A plus B by 2, so we will operate sign on both the sides. And then we will split LCM over here to get pi by 2 minus C by 2. Pi by 2 is 90. Sin 90 minus C by 2 is cos C by 2. Isn't that? So sin A plus B by 2 can be ultimately replaced by cos C by 2. So we have replaced and remaining terms as it is copied. Now here is cos C. We know the formula for cos C in terms of cos itself is 2 cos square C by 2 minus 1. Isn't that? We have expressed this in terms of cos because here is cos. So to take common, we expressed this cos C in terms of cos itself. Now we'll open the bracket over here to get minus 2 cos square C by 2 plus 1. Then you can easily check. Here is 2 cos C by 2. It is also 2 cos C by 2, which we can take common to write this final line. Isn't that? I hope this is clear to you. So after taking common, again by question, A plus B plus C is equal to pi, which means A plus B is equal to pi minus C, and then we will divide both the sides by 2, and then we will operate sign on both the sides. Here we will split LCM, and then we know sin 90 minus C by 2 is cos C by 2. So ultimately cos C by 2, which is also over here. So cos C by 2 is sin A plus B by 2. So we'll replace this by sin A plus B by 2. I hope this is clear to you. And then before we continue further, we have learned that A minus B can be written as minus in bracket B minus A. Just we have taken minus common from here and we have expressed this as B minus A. Same thing over here. Let's consider this whole as A and this whole as B. So it is A minus B. So on taking minus common, this is minus common, we can write this as sin A plus B by 2 minus sin B minus A by 2. Isn't that? And then we'll split LCM over here and over here to get this line. Please take your time to understand. Then again we know, we have learned the formula that if we are given sin B plus A minus sin B minus A, we can write this as 2 cos B into sin A. So using the same concept, if we are given sin B by 2 plus A by 2 minus sin B by 2 minus A by 2, we can replace this by 2 cos B by 2 into sin A by 2. So this portion is same as this portion. So we can replace this by 2 cos B by 2 into sin A by 2. So this is replaced by 2 cos B by 2 into sin A by 2. Now let's open the bracket. On opening the bracket, we are getting minus 4 sine A by 2 into cos B by 2 into cos C by 2 plus 1, which is our right hand side proved. So I hope this is also clear to you. Now let's continue question number 6. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then prove that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equal to minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. So solution, left hand side we have copied. Again, we know cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So this concept or this formula will apply in the first two terms. Let's consider 2a as c and 2b as d. So it is in the form of cos c plus cos d. So using this concept, we can write this as 2 cos 2a plus 2b over 2 into cos 2a minus 2b over 2. And the last term is copied as it is. Thereafter, here is 2, here is 2. That 2 and 2 can be taken common and cancel with this 2. Here also 2 and 2 can be taken common and cancel with this 2. So we have taken 2 common and cancelled, and then we get 2 cos a plus b instead of this. And instead of this, we are getting cos a minus b. And the last term is copied as it is. Thereafter, again by question, we are provided a plus b plus c equal to pi. So we can write this as a plus b is equal to pi minus c. Now, shall we divide both the sides by 2? No, because here just below a plus b there is no 2. Nothing is in denominator. So we didn't divide. Simply we'll operate cos, because here is cos. So we have operated cos on both the sides. And again we know cos pi minus c is minus cos c. Isn't that? Okay, so cos a plus b is minus cos c. So we'll replace this cos a plus b by minus cos c. This minus has come in front, and cos a plus b is ultimately cos c. You got this one? Now this cos a minus b copied, cos 2c is copied as it is. In next line, we'll open the formula for cos 2c in terms of cos, because here is cos. So cos 2c is 2 cos square c minus 1. Now here is 2 cos square c, and here is also 2 cos c. So we can take common. So we have taken minus 2 cos c common, and in bracket we have cos a minus b minus cos c, and this minus 1 as it is from above. Is this clear? Okay, now let's go to next page. In next page I will copy this line again as it is to avoid confusion. So as said, this line is copied as it is. Now again we are given a plus b plus c is equal to pi. It means a plus b is equal to pi minus c. Then we will operate cos on both the sides, and we know cos pi minus c is minus cos c. So minus cos c is plus cos a plus b. So here is minus cos c. We'll replace this by cos a plus b. So we have replaced. Now we will just arrange this. We will bring at front, and this we will take at back to get this line. Now we know this is the formula of 2 cos a into cos b. Then we will open the bracket to get minus 4 cos c into cos a into cos b minus 1. After some rearrangement, we will get minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c, which is equal to right hand side proved. I hope this is also clear to you. So at last, I request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you.